Florida cap rocks from Big Earth Landscape Supply are, of course, native to Florida limestone material, but they're not what you have to use for your next landscape project. A lot of people say, oh, Florida has ugly rocks, or I don't like Florida rocks, but at Big Earth Landscape Supply, we have more variety for you to choose from. Cap rocks from Big Earth Landscape Supply are sold by size and range in anywhere from 1 to 2 feet, 2 to 3 feet, all the way up to 5, even 6 feet in size. They're perfect if you're looking for that native feel in your Florida landscape or garden. Being that Florida cap rocks are native to Florida and a limestone material, you might expect them to be white. But in fact, a lot of the boulders have an iron that comes through as a brownish orange tint in the rock. It actually adds a lot of character as well. Whether you want a large boulder as an accent piece or you want to use smaller boulders to outline your landscape, Florida cap rocks from Big Earth Landscape Supply are exactly what your native landscape needs.